If you want to back up your Apple Watch, first of all, you have to make sure that you are currently connected with your iPhone, so you can quickly do that by opening Settings. Now navigate into the Bluetooth settings, make sure that the Bluetooth is actually turned on, and additionally you can turn on a Wi-Fi. There we go, and be connected into the same Wi-Fi network like on your iPhone. Right now you have to put both devices close to each other, and now we have to just simply go into the settings, and over here we have to open the iCloud. So click on your account, go into the iCloud over here, and right now what we have to do is just to basically go to the iCloud backup. There we go, and now we have to just simply click to backup right now, and it will start backing up automatically, and now you just have to simply wait for this. So yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching.